Good day, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm sorry to bother you this morning. If you take a very good look at me, sir, you'll see that I'm not a beggar from head to toe. But, sir, I need your help.
No problem.
I received a call yesterday that my father slumped in the bathroom and was rushed to the hospital. On my way to Lagos this morning, I was robbed. They took all my money, everything that I have on me. As I talk to you now, I don't even have transport to continue my journey to Lagos. So any amount you can help me with, sir, just so I can get to Lagos, I would really appreciate it.
Okay, if you take a good look at me, I'm a giver. I give for a living. But this is the wrong time. Before you got here, I just received a call that my identical twin brother was involved in a fatal accident. Ouch! And I was told by the doctor if I don't deposit the sum of 1 million naira, his both leg will be amputated. So I'm even confused. I don't know what to do. I was trying to make some calls when you came around, so I don't even know. It's too much for me.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. It's very obvious that your own case is, bigger than my own problem. But if at all, let me see. Okay, here. Okay. This is a sum of 50,000. Your story touched me so well. So add it to whatever amount you have. Just so you can treat your brother. Please. Just manage it, okay?
Please, excuse me. Hello? Rukewe. It happen here.
What do you mean by that?
Papa, I just do with one customer. I just give a lamba. Papa drop 50K new money.
Ouch!
See, I beg. I see them with her. I'll call you back.
Out of me and you.
I'm very sorry. My manners. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Helping hands.
Givers never lack.
Helping hands.
Givers never lack.
My friend, who are you?
I'm the PRO United Beggar Association Ugara Zone. And who are you?
I am the president, the founder, United Beggars Association, Benin Zone. So you carry this thing all the way from Ogara, come Benin, the zonal office, where this thing started. My friend, come down from this car. Come down from this car. Association with me form. They don't use them against me.